What up guys, my name is Stanley from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to take another look at a offer from AdCombo, which we are going to create a campaign for using native ads. So let's dive in. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so I am inside of AdCombo, and this is the offer that we are going to focus on today. It's called Black Latte, and it's a diet/weight loss offer. And this specific offer is for Ireland, although this offer is available for a lot of different geos. So if you prefer another geo, feel free to use it. I just picked out Ireland because it's English, so it makes things a lot easier. So what is interesting about this offer is that it's online for quite a while, and we had quite some students having success with this offer and created a couple profitable campaigns out of the Black Latte offer in multiple geos, I should say. But there is a good distinction between two different target audiences, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So let's look at the description first. Black latte absorbs fat, transforms it into energy, purify your body from toxins and wastes, reduces feeling of hunger and give you vigor, remove excess fluids from the body, helps with production of dopamine, the hormone of happiness. Active ingredients are coconut water, L-carnate, I guess, activated carbon, coffee latte. Directions for use: dissolve 2 tablespoons in a glass of water. Take 2 times a day for maximum absorption. Drink beverage during breakfast and lunch. No local celebrities and creatives, alright? So, like you are used to from AdCombo, we have a section of pre-landings and landings, where the landings are the offer pages and the pre-landings are the landing pages, basically, to keep things quite confusing. Alright? So let's take a look. As you can see, this one says female view, and this one says fat burn on the pre-landings. On the landings, we have the torso green and color full. But what AdCombo does is they always give you like pre-landers and landing pages to choose from, right? We know that. That's what they do with all their offers. But what's actually interesting about this specific offer is that they already create 2 completely different angles and 2 completely different target audiences with those 2 different pre-landers. So you can go all directions wherever you want to go, and they provide you with it. I'm going to show you that right now, right after we talk about the payout. So the payout is $17.15 and can go up to $20. Ireland COD, all right. So let's start with the pre-landers. And with the pre-landers, the difference is most notable, all right? So here we have 2 different landing pages, all right? And they both target a complete different audience, which is what I'm going to show you right now. First, let's start here. And the target audience is right away at the top. Woman's Vision is the name of this blog post, whatever, advertorial, all right? Woman's Vision. So that already sets our target with this specific pre-lander, because that is woman, indeed. Sick and tired of excess weight, no success losing weight, or you regain the pounds once they've been lost, want to wear your favorite dress but can't squeeze in, and buying pretty clothes is a big problem. Alright, well then you should use Black Latte. So the format of this landing page is very much First of all, it's about a woman, and it's very much story-like, like a blog post almost. And it involves a lot of problems that women who might have a few pounds extra struggle with. All right? Right in the first part, you can see it. Sick and tired of excess weight. Okay, well, yeah. No success losing weight. So that's a big problem. Or regain the pounds once they've been lost. That's a big problem. Want to wear your favorite dress but can't squeeze in. That is not something a man would, struggle with if they feel like they have too much weight. That's a girl issue. That's a woman's issue, all right? And buying pretty clothes is a big problem. Women tend to focus more on these kind of problems when they have a few pounds extra. And if we compare this to the other landing page that AdCombo provides us, we see fat burn. Okay, all right? I lost weight and slept with 36 girls in 1 month. It's way more aggressive. And the focus is on such another place just because that core audience is different, all right? Hi guys, my name is Thomas. So it's still like a blog post kind of type. So there's no difference there, just to set up. So watch this. I am 31 years old. For a long time, almost everyone knew me as a fat virgin. But now I can have my way as much as I want with anyone that I desire. The best is that I didn't have to stress about any diets, gym, and other kinds of time-consuming rubbish. So you see, with the first 2-3 sentences, it's very clear what the pain points are from this audience and what the reasons are that this target audience might want to buy this product, and you should use that in your campaign, all right? So if we look at the man's side of perspective, it's wanting to be active with his sexual life. That's one of the biggest. That's probably the whole post is about that. And then also no stress about diets, gyms, or other time-consuming rubbish. So that's the concern. That seems to be the concern when it comes to men. Time-consuming, all right? And when we look at the women point of view, it's not fitting in a dress, not looking pretty, not finding the right clothes. It's not really about time-consuming. That doesn't seem to be the real pain point for women who want to lose weight. The real pain point seems to be not being able to lose weight, or losing weight and gaining it again, not being able to fit in your clothes. So there are different pain points for different audiences, and you should use that in your campaign. Let's take a look at the different offer pages, although I think the biggest difference is right here in these 2 pages, right? I'll scroll through this one as well, quite short. And this one is a little bit longer, some more pictures, some more storytelling, whereas the man's side of perspective is just like, I wanted to have sex, I lost weight, and now I have sex every day, all right? That's basically it. So we have 2 different types of offer pages. We have this one, Black Latte weight loss for men, all right? So once again, it stagnates that. Although it's the same problem, we want to make it feel like it's specifically put together for you, all right? That's the feeling the user should get from it, and that's what you also want to create in your ads and in your campaign. So powerful fat burning effect, a unique unmatched combination of ingredients, 4 times faster metabolism, all right? So we see a fit body here, then we see a fat body here, and another one, a doctor, of course, and some fit buddies to show you where you're going. Now, if we compare this with the other offer page, you see that there's quite a difference. This one focuses more on the woman part of the offer. Once again, same thing as with the offer page, all right? So we see some pictures of fat and fit girls and another fit girl. Although I should say where the man's point of view right here is really focused on fat, fat, perfect, fat, all right? The female perspective seems to have more focus on the product itself instead of the results from first view, all right? But let's look through it, let's skim through it. Black Latte is a delicious, energy-giving secret to celebs' slim bodies. The focuses more on celebrities, I think. So, especially Cynthia consulted on healthy dieting, blah, 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 drinks instead of snacks and or meal for quick weight loss. All right. So you have some pictures here, some results. Can we actually? Okay, we can. So some more results. So okay, so they're all here. All right. Results. All right. Visible results from the first day. You see, it's really focused on what's in it. Is it safe? It looks very nice. Whereas this one is just, don't be this guy, become this guy. Order now. And it still has some points of like what's in it. But if you compare this part, right, to, let's see, to this part, you can see where the focus is, right? So for women, it's more focused on like what's in it, what's working, what's the working part of it that's actually going to make you lose weight. How can we show it's safe? They're all natural ingredients, so we're going to show you it's all safe. Whereas the man point of view, it's just a small thing like, okay, this will do this, this will do this, this will do this, and order now. So it's a little bit more aggressive, I would say. So use that in your campaign. You can also make 2 campaigns for the same offer and split them out, right? Make a man's side, make a women's side, just like AdCombo did with their offer and their landing pages. So that's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Good luck and peace out.